Madeira Tower, India Romeo Yankee Alpha November Heavy, inbound on the visual runway 5. India Romeo Yankee Alpha November Heavy, enter right downwind runway 5, India Romeo Yankee Alpha November Heavy. India Romeo Yankee Alpha November Heavy, wind 02. Number 1, cleared to land, runway 5, India Romeo Yankee Alpha November Heavy. Madeira Tower, Airbus 81 November Alpha, ready for departure in sequence at runway 5, remaining in the pattern. Airbus 81 November Alpha, wind 020 at 15, runway 5, cleared for takeoff, make right traffic. Cleared for takeoff, runway 5, Airbus 81 November Alpha.
Madeira Tower, Air Portugal 35 Heavy, inbound on the visual runway 5 with information Alpha.
Madeira Tower, enter right downwind runway 5. Airbus 81 November Alpha, number 2, traffic to follow is on right downwind. Number 2, behind the traffic on right downwind, Airbus 81 November Alpha. Air Portugal 35 heavy. Enter right downwind runway 5. Number 3. Traffic to follow is on right crosswind.
Enter right downwind, runway 5, behind the traffic on right crosswind, Air Portugal 35 heavy.
Airbus 81 November Alpha, please check the user guide from the home screen for help using ADC instructions. Airbus 81 November Alpha, requesting departure to the north. Airbus 81 November Alpha, departure to the north is approved. Airbus 81 November Alpha, frequency change approved. Good day. Frequency change approved. Airbus 81 November Alpha, good day. Air Portugal 35 heavy. Number 2, traffic to follow is on right base.
Number 2, behind the traffic on right base, Air Portugal 35 heavy.
Air Portugal 35 heavy, wind 020 at 15. Number 2, runway 5, cleared to land.
Number 2, cleared to land, runway 5, Air Portugal 35 heavy.
$1,000. $500. $400. $500. $400. $300. $200. $50. 40, 30, 20, 10.
India Romeo Yankee Alpha November Heavy, exit runway when able. Wilco, India Romeo Yankee Alpha November Heavy. India Romeo Yankee Alpha November Heavy, thank you. You're welcome, India Romeo Yankee Alpha November Heavy.